Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Did you just see that wick? Holy, what's going on? Gang. What? Happy Monday, liquidation. Is it water on the knee? Liquidation. Did you guys just see that? Holy, what? What? What is going on? Happy Monday. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Gang. Look at the Irish. Let's go, everybody. That, what a bang to the week. I was looking for an SFP up at the high here, and holy smokes, what's going on? Otter gang. Look at this. So, they've obviously squeezed right now, and they're pushing price down. So, holy, what's going on, everybody? Hopefully, you're having a wonderful day. We got a liquidation grab up here. Coming into an order block that I was expecting up in here. My God. We could have taken the SFP, but not today. So we have squeezed. We saw a similar thing here happen the other week where we squeezed and then we sent price down. But oh my God. And we have news at 8:30. What's going on, everybody? How was your weekend? Did you trade? Did you touch some grass, or did you touch some ass, or did you do all three? Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to all of you guys. Gang. Good morning. I did not trade this weekend. I was definitely hanging out with the family on Saturday. And then yesterday I went golfing and I threw out my back. Now, like, I've had back pain. Like, I'm a carpenter. I've had back pain. Lots of back pain, okay? Not lifting with the legs. But there's something different when you throw out your back. So I was golfing, of course, and it was at the end of my golfing indoor session because, you know, Canada cold, and like one swing to rule them all. The swing was going, and the follow through and the rotation, and then you just heard, bing, like a hot rod iron through your ass. Is that rude? But like all the way down my leg, lower back, into my toes. You know when you can feel it? You can feel your back in your toes. That's what happened to me. So I'm a gimp. Me and Sniper's Nightmare and Tony Soprano all have back injuries right now. I don't know. Put a 1 in the chat if you've had a half decent back injury. You know exactly what it's like. And I got a 7-month-old child that walks around, and I have to pick up and put down and change. And I heard Jay Violet's a super duper therapist. Jay Violet, how much is it to fly? It's a 26-hour flight from Australia to Canada, but yeah, we all know sciatica. Yeah, my grandmother has sciatica. We all know how it feels. My God. Rugby, not golf. Yeah, oof. I played rugby in high school. Yeah. Get the old foam roller out. Works magic. Yeah, I do got the old foam roller. I got the massage gun. Hot, cold, rest, ice, elevate. We were having a joke in the Discord about how to elevate, because they say rest, ice, compression, and elevate. How the F do you elevate your back? Like you be doing some weird crane position thing that's probably going to hurt your back even more. So I don't think we are able to elevate. Wait until you have a handicap plate for your back. God. See, you always got to relate to the people. You talk about food and you talk about back pain. Oh, man. Rice is not meant for that injury. Dusty Hunt. See, this is what we need. Let's say good morning to everybody. We got JR, Jeffrey, Stone Cipher, the Dusty Hunt. Good morning to you guys. Thank you for being here. Jesse, good morning, my man. Quick Smoker, good morning. How's it going over there in Australia? Good to see you, my man. Chantel, good morning. Andrew Cameron, Paul Caruso, Alexandra G, Tony Soprano. Let's see some Tonys and let's see some Alexandra G's and some Snipers, Nightmares. And guess what? We got the Army Piper emoji. I expect a little bit of an Army Piper spam job here because we do have the new Army Piper emoji. I told you I'd do it. I did it, man. I did it. We got an Army Piper emoji. Dragonfly Dylan VA. Good morning to you, Waltz Jesse. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Gains for life, my man. How's it going, bro? Good to see you. Goldie Crypto. What's going on? Good morning. How you doing? Catrix, I think we got you back in the Discord. I'm not sure, but we're working on that. Hopefully you're doing well. Maeba, good morning to you. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, Luke Zaldana, my man. Good morning. God bless you, man. John Foster, Crypto Dragonfly D. Let's go. Emma, I see you. Not Emmanuel. What's going on, my man? Good morning to you. Hopefully you're doing well. Is there news? Yeah, 8:30. 8:30. And Piper's going to be doing some economic data breakdown, or data, whatever you want to call it. He's got a video coming up I'm interested in. Hopefully it can educate me on what all these data things mean. I mean, as a scalper, as someone who's in and out of the trades, I just stay at a dodge. We have retail sales here. But everybody, this coming Wednesday, we have the one, the only FOMC. Okay, so we have some retail sales this morning. All roads point to the FOMC, which is a 99% rate of us having no cuts. Okay, look, if you go over here on your CME Fed Watch tool, flashbang, you can see that there is a 99% chance of no cut. But all roads point to June, I believe. Piper and I were talking about this. June, July, 50% chance. So we could be in for some more pain. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? That's why you got to watch Piper Academy in order to get all the information on the news situations, because here we just press buy and sell successfully. We had a great week last week. We absolutely decimated it. Very proud of you guys. Wody, good morning. Al Jr. Let's get after it relentlessly. Let's go. Forget about it. Dragonfly, Woti, Francis, Crypto, same. Gains for Life, Ronier, Froth, J Quick, Smoker, my man. You guys are incredible. Good to see you here. Jay Allen, Froth, Miles Trump Power, winning that 50 USDT on Friday. Anto, liquidation is the trend. Yeah, it's been very, very snappy price action. Grandmaster 8, Michael Saylor just bought another 130 BTC. I was thinking that was the pump. That was the buy, and now it's just sold. Yeah. Patrick Sod, good morning. DDT, my man, the basic crypto chick. What's going on? Good morning to you. Wolf and Bear, F-Bomb, my man. Happy Allen, R Pink. Let's go. Richard Price, good morning to you. Andrew Cameron, JR. Fitners, Wanderer, Jay Violet, all these people with back pain. You guys are incredible. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Seeing some Army Pipers in the chat. My man, look, he's happy. I told you I'd do it, bro. I did it. I even had to crop it because it wasn't the right. It's got to be a 1-to-1, bro. It's got to be 1-to-1. So I had to crop it and recalibrate it, but we got it done, bro. Of course we did. Priorities. Go for a cold swim, then a hot shower, then back in cold, then rub some CBD and have a Froth sleepy. Love it, Froth. Thanks for the back advice. This is never financial advice, but this is back advice. Morning. Good morning, Lucky Deal. Good morning to you. Good to see you in here. Lunar Beaches, my man. Sniper's Nightmare. Good to see you guys. God bless you. Good morning. Some guys, some people know. Okay, yo, Monday. Oh, major back surgery. L4 and L5. You know when they've had back pain, they know which L4 and L5 is. Hopefully you're doing a little bit better, man. He also loves golf. Yeah, man. I'm a bit obsessed with golf. I played a lot of sports, and I figured golf is the one sport I can play into the sunset, until I get really old, I can play it. So I'm like, why not invest? Like, I play lots of baseball. I play tons of tennis and all those things, but it's like, I can't be playing tennis at 70, but I can play golf, So that's the thought behind it. So I'm trying to shoot under 80 this year. I'm shooting like an 82, 83 last year, average. So Curvis UK, good morning, man. Good morning. Good to see you. Game Face Brother, good morning from Frankfurt, Germany. Anytime you say you're in Germany, I have to say my favorite German word is Krankenwagen, okay? Which is just an ambulance. I love it. Let's go. Infinite Team TA, James, Wayne C. Did you get a sandwich over the weekend, Wayne C? Miles, Trump Power. Got silenced. Send in the link now. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. So, a couple things to talk about here. Let's jump into it. Bitcoin. Scamming everybody out, right? We got a weekly indecisive doji candle, but you know us. We can possibly look for a push up here and a close above this doji here as a bullish sign of continuation back up and recovering halfway up this candle. So we could be looking to come up to that $87,000 level, only to continue down. There is a relief coming somewhere in here, but can we get this before that? We'll see. I mean, for the long-term analysis, got to understand that this is uncertainty. We have a lot of things coming our way this month, okay? The only kind of tailwinds that we have are this the war stopping over in Ukraine. Then we have Jerome possibly wanting to cut rates, being dovish on his little talks. Okay, then we have, Army Piper finally deploying his capital after selling at 102.7 CHFI FM. radio. So we do have this trigger wave. Now this trigger wave is looking juicy on the weekly and can push us up. However, I want to be patient here. Three days looking all right too. The daily as well. We got that bull div continuation. We have yet to crack 84, right? So 84.5 being that major level of resistance. Okay. Therefore, if we fail to get above that, we're obviously going lower, and I would expect 3 drives down here, somewhere into here, maybe 72, okay? That last hurrah, and then a bounce, and then we'll see if we start taking some highs, if we can continue upwards. For now, we treat it as a range. That's as simple as I can keep it for you guys, right? Whenever price has fallen, which it has, we develop a couple ranges, right? If we stay within here, we trade within here. If we stay up here, we trade within here, right? And we treat it as a range until proven otherwise, okay? And we try to buy low and sell high and all that stuff, okay? But we want to do it successfully with good risk management as usual. So let's keep our eyes on the price. The 12-hour here, we have an indecisive anchor trigger wave, okay? Trying to push up. Money is falling out of the sky here. So we have obviously the rejections here. But nonetheless, a little bit of patience will prevail leading into, I would say, Jerome's talk Wednesday. So we got news coming in about 14 minutes, so let's be prepared for that. The 4-hour trigger wave. Okay, so our last trigger wave was actually quite lucrative here. So we can see here, this was our last trigger wave. That did push us up. However, we do not have VWAP in the same position. This is something you can learn from. So we look here. VWAP is pushing up and out here. We have already crossed over here. So this is a little bit delayed, meaning not as strong, and money's still rolling over. Therefore, possibly not as strong. I'd expect down first, okay? I think I just closed my trading exchange by accident. 1 second. Boop, boop, boop. Loading. All right. Are we good? We're good. All right. So the 4 is giving us some hopium. That's something that we should be patient with. We'll see how it goes, okay? Going into the 3, the 2, the 1, the 3-hour. Same thing, money flow crossover looking juicy. This does not look juicy. Okay, this looks like double top. 2 sweeps. So they swept once. They just swept, right? Therefore, this is target, right? This should be target 1. We'll see if we get there. Very sporadic price action over the weekend. We like rolled over and then popped back up. So remember, stop loss, please, 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 because it's gonna be pretty sporadic. You know, this guy tweets 2 times a week and it destroys or pumps the market. So we need to be prepared for that. The 2-hour looking weak, okay, and the 1-hour looking toppy as well with a trigger to the downside here. So a little bit of patience here will prevail. We'll see what we get today. Right now, favoring shorts. We'll see where we get to. Okay, we got a couple of areas here and a couple of things I am interested in. We'll see if we get what we want to see. We are currently... I got to switch this over here. Breaking structure to the downside, so that's good. We can look for a retest back into VWAP and hopefully take advantage of the price action. Okay? Let's be patient. Let the price come to us. Liquidity in these lows, so we can target these lows as well and hopefully take advantage of this. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 251 people in here, 61 likes. Thank you guys so much for being here and hanging out with the gang. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Happy Alien. Good to see you. Not Aller. Storm, thank you for saying good morning. The only requirement here is a good morning or an OM. Darsham Baba, what's going on, man? Hopefully you're doing well. Dragonfly, J Violet. You had sciatica for L5 and S1. See, like you've got me. This is like bingo to me. I'm sure that's not a good place to have back pain, but L5 bingo. That's all. Flight nurse, decompression is what you need. Okay, so I need to go decompress. All right, guys, it was a great show. I'll see you guys tomorrow. AlexOCrypto, good morning. Good to see you. Mike 204. I'm trying to break 90. We'll get you there, man. It's breaking 90 is one thing. You can do it. I believe you. It's all about fixing the driver, stop slicing the ball, consistent wedge game. That's it, man. Wayne, good morning. The war won't stop. Hopefully it does, man. Justin Trudeau running for the governor of California. I can't. I can't handle you guys. I really can't. Rolling over here. $786 golden pocket area. We could look for the retest back up into here. This is a 1% dump. Wow. Mitigation of the highs. No trade yet. Let's be patient. Like to see the reaction in here. Some sort of bottoming. We did give the long over here on the Discord at this area, but wasn't easy. Wasn't easy criteria to take the long. We'll talk about it today in the Discord about how you could have taken this long, because we were aware of the possible pump back, but we didn't. Some people, we did a big confirmation video in the Discord of how to take trades based on confirmation, and it's always good to continue to revisit those because you get different confirmations in different trade setups. So it's always something that's important. Make sure that you're confident taking the trades based on confirmation and not just what you think it's going to do, right? How much maximum drawdown do you allow? So I only have a drawdown of 0.7%, so it's less than 1. Risking 300 to make 900, okay? Of my total account, just so you're aware. Good morning, Streamlabs. Always sharing my leverage, sharing all my secrets, Streamlabs. What disc, Anthony? J Violet with the disc DJ disc Johnnying. I like to bounce out of the 786 here. Could take this back up to VWAP for a quick little scalp. Can we engulf? 20 seconds on the candle. Nice pushback. News in 7 minutes, everybody. BTC falling out of the wedge. Okay. Kuro-sama. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Uncle Jesse. Good morning, man. How's it going? Yeah, we got news. Unfortunately, we got news at 8:30, so retail sales. We'll see how that affects the market. I don't think there's anything else that's too important in here. Retail sales. New York Empire State Manufacturing Index. That could be interesting. Mostly retail sales, so nice pushback. Good candle here. That's a good candle. So now we can look for something along the lines of this. Possibly. Not necessarily keen on taking a trade into data-driven price action. Okay, so let's be patient here. I would prefer continuation. If we get a good bottom in here, we can pull a fib and look for some sort of retest. This is also a continuation trade here where you can look for a retest of the previous lows in a downtrend, okay? And VWAP. So we have VWAP up here as well, so we can look for that rejection, hopefully pushing down. A little patience here. We got 5 minutes till the news. I'm not keen on getting into a trade just yet. Be patient, everybody. Trading is waiting, as usual. Everyone, good morning from New Zealand. Thank you for being here. Daryl Ufton, our new Kiwi. We got a couple Kiwis in here, man. Thanks for joining us. I can only like the stream once. Oh, Jesse, you can't harass everybody about not pressing the like button. Maybe they want to experience a little bit of the show before pressing the like. I don't necessarily like, except for Piper's video. I don't press the like right away. Sin City Crypto always gets the like out of me. I like them to earn the like. Is that fair? I think I should earn your likes. Like, I don't expect you just to come in, hit the like button. I do expect a good morning, though. If you don't say good morning, I don't know what to do with you. Attila, good morning to you. James, good morning to you. Dave, good morning. Big Al. Is that a South Park reference? Let's go. Arif, good morning to you. Attila, good morning. Lucky Deal. Adrian, good morning. Bonjour. Comment ça va? What's happened to Mavia? Is it getting wrecked? Lucky Deal. Maybe we'll look at that today in Chart Prime's teaching lesson. Every day 150 plus 100% gross. All right, we got 4 minutes till news. This is rolling over here. We have a bearish divergence right now, right? With that sweep in here, we get bear divs. Okay. Money was coming up quite nicely here. We had that kind of ascending triangle here, right? Can we hold? Push back in. Maybe we get a breakout today. Who knows? We need to be prepared for anything, okay? Prepared for anything. Try to position ourselves accordingly. Developing a little trigger wave in here. We'll have a higher low and a lower low. So that's hidden bullish divergence on the 24-minute as well. So we have contrarian divergences here. Pretty cool, eh? So guess what that means? Indecision. It's get the F out of Dodge, really. Get the F out of Dodge. Nice bounce out of our 786, though. We understand that. New low intact now, so we'll see if we bounce out of here. If not, we're coming for this low, and most likely the more local golden pocket down in here. Okay, so a little bit of patience. It's going to win us a lot. Trading Cove, knock, knock, morning. Anybody got a good knock, knock joke? Knock, knock, who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock, knock, who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock, knock, who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock, knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? Orange, you glad I didn't say banana again? Didn't. Thank you, Jesse. Splash Landon. Alexandra G. I took it when you broke out to the following channel. Thank you, everyone, for the reply. Maya, good morning to you. We got 2 minutes till news comes out. Patience here. Flick back, good morning to you. Diaz, good morning. Attila Kahoot, good morning. Good morning. Deborah. How's it going, Deborah? Good to see you. J Violet, BloFin. What's good data and what's bad data? Well, we'll see how the market reacts. You know, it's been actually contrarian to how it reacts here. We got 37 seconds. Let's wait for this thing to make a decision here. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, doo, doo. Dun, 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 dun. 15 seconds. This thing has been actually pretty slow lately. We might have to go over to a Forex Factory from now on, because this thing is actually giving us the data quite slow. Bingo bango. We get a reaction here. Point two. Projected 0.5. Consensus was 0.6. So It's come up here. This is bullish. Holy shit. I just swore that's one. Another sweep of the highs in here. No trade. This is why you don't enter that trade. My God. Fireworks in the morning. Anybody get short? Anybody get short? They gave us 2 chances this morning to get short from the box, man. Anybody? Jeez. This is crazy. I wouldn't touch this. Trade intuition. What's going on, man? Had a crazy weekend. Gang. Thank you for the super chat. Sorry about your video last night. I watched it, man, and it's just like, come on. I mean, conflict of interest. We both talked about it. I didn't expect you to make a video about it, but that's okay, man. I hope you're feeling okay about it. It's just very simple. Mods are mods. You stick with your people. I mean, we got to protect our own people too, right? So at the end of the day, I told you, I'm not accusing you of stealing the trade. I said that multiple times. So hopefully you're having a good morning, man. Thank you for coming and hanging out in the super chat. I'm sorry you felt the way you did. At the end of the day, we're all here to help other people, and that's what it's about, man. So thanks for coming through, man, and saying good morning. Jesse goes hard AF. Are we going to pump here? Good morning from Pakistan. GD, good morning to you. Dylan, VA. Darren does things. William Barr, what's going on? Cabao. Aren't you glad I didn't say banana? Wait. We need a wait. Trading is waiting. We do need a... Dave Digital, we need a trading is waiting command. Dave Digital is the command master in chief. Okay, bouncing off VWAP here. Nice VWAP slap continuation. Okay. Let in the dust settle. The problem with this, friends, is that whenever we get news, and this is a thing, we get news and then you get this big old crazy volatility, and then you're quiet for about an hour. Right? You'll get a little bit of volume here, so you'll pucker up. Look at this, right? And then you'll get a decline in volume, and then we'll be waiting again. Okay? The patience here is going to be critical. Especially when, man, they keep sweeping these highs. It's as though they want to set price higher, but they keep getting slapped down, man. It's pretty wild. Maybe Sailor will come in. Maybe Sailor will come in with the cape. Everybody, what do you think? Sailor's going to be buying a lot, and this was Sailor again? Look, everyone, the markets have made AlexO's brain break. What are we supposed to do here, man? There's no setup here. It's just volatility, shake and bake. We need trade intuition to come and tell me what to do here, man. Tradefly loves the shake and bake too, man. Ricky Booby, let's go. No trade here, right? It's simple, no trade. Very simple, no trade. Greetings from London. Hello. Patrick Swayze in the chat. My man. Dragonfly, what's going on? Waiting. Been here for months. Come on. It's the hand. Trading is waiting. It's the hand. Dave Digital. We need we're gonna need like a list of all the commands. Lunar beaches, crypto, gang. Sailor is buying over the counter. When he buys, the price doesn't move. Okay. QQQ breaking up. Okay. We're getting a push here on NAS as well. So there's typically like relief from mid-March to early April. I was watching a Ben Cowan video about how it behaves after an election. And like he was talking about, you typically get some sort of relief. Not saying this is going to pump, but relief, meaning maybe a higher low or a lower high coming in between now and early April for possible continuation down or a pop back up. So something along this, right? It could turn into this or it could turn into this, right? But a little bit of relief after such an aggressive dump. Now, I'm not taking that as like, perfect, but it's nice to hear. Now, there's very selective of who you listen to on trading, but I think Ben Cowan does a really good job of breaking down things, and being almost contrarian to everybody who's saying, "Oh, it's going to go to the moon," yada yada yada. Okay, which is very can be very, very defeating to most people. So you need to be aware of that as well. Is where you're getting your information. Chicken, what's going on, my brother? Good to see you. What's going on, man? Tony Soprano, Lunar Beaches, Crypto. Good morning to you guys. No trades so far. Waiting. What's going on, Rooftop? Is it roof lop or flop, man? Mighty Moto, what's going on, man? Frequency. Haywoods, Jay, thank you for saying good morning. Gorilla, what's trading? What is a gorilla pump, man? Woo! A gorilla pump. Where's Rashad? Rashad's just making money, man. It's so awesome. Like Rashad's on our winners wall like multiple times this week. Our newest. I mean, you guys are all crushing it. I can't deny it. You guys are all crushing it. Some questionable leverage here, but that's okay. I used to do it too. We got a whole bunch of people crushing it in here. Mr. Trump Power always crushing it. JR crushing it. Tamale. JR, I think you're over trading, bro, but we love you anyways. Rashad, my brother took profit. Let's go, man. Good job, man. See? He's our protege. I don't like calling him a protege. He's another trader who's actually part of the community, kind, wants you to win. We want him to win as well. Don't post my wins. That's okay. It's good. I'll post my P&L. That's what I post for people to see. You guys know me. It's all transparent here, just trying to help each other grow. Yeah, you got to throw on the glasses when you're listening to Benjamin. Yeah, you should even call him Sir Benjamin when you refer to him, right, Ando? I mean, he called for the breakdown of ETH for 4 years or something. Who's got time for that, man? Uncle Jesse in the chat, JR. I trade an eighth of what I used to. See? So we're rubbing off on you, JR. Pun intended. Pun intended. I know you're learning a lot about risk management from me because I'm trying to drill it in your head. So I want you to be better, bro. All right, coming back and retesting. So volume has stayed pretty steady here, which is good. Get another sweep of the highs. This is possible here. We could look for this. The candles up top here are not clearly a wall up here. Clearly. I'm more interested in this. A little bit of patience here. A little bit of patience. That's it. Trading is waiting, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with me. I do appreciate you guys. We've got 380 people in here. Hopefully you had a wonderful weekend. What does the poll say? I always tell you on Friday, touch some grass or touch some ass, whatever you're into. You guys were trading and doing all threes. You guys are trading on the grass, touching peaches. Okay? Imagine doing all three at the same time. Dave Digital was doing that, all three at the same time. All three at the same time. I know you got skills, right, Dave? And eating a healthy meal. And eating a healthy meal. Adrian, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Anto, good morning. Tamale. Guys are crushing it. Gains for life. Yeah, when you can flash the P&L, then you know you are the boss. I just try to keep it real with you guys. You know that. Always sharing the trades, always sharing the entries. Just trying to be as transparent as possible. I think, it's important in this space, especially with all the people who are, trying to, even Trump coin. Like, come on. Like, so one industry where it's like, you can have an edge in this industry just by being an honest person. It's so sad, man. It's so sad. Oh, well. Oh, well. That's what we do. It's a battle here. So this is something I'm always cautious on. Whenever Market Cipher starts to make a symmetrical triangle, this is telling me it's coiling for a pump, okay? Whether it's this ascending triangle here, whether it's the mitigation of the high reversal here. This gives me warning all the time, especially on mid time frames. For me, a mid time frame is like a 15, 24 minute. So this gives me, especially when money is just doing this as well, it's very much let it choose the direction and then participate. That's kind of how I treat it. Because if we're looking at what happened over the weekend, right? We rolled over after this bull flag. So everybody is bullish, right? We got V-shaped recovery. We got bull flag. Everybody's getting long in here, looking for the breakout. It rolls over and breaks everyone's heart. Our Discord shorted here. Then we get a V-shaped recovery after not even hitting a key level. It came for the lows in here, but boom. And then boom. Okay. Then hitting just the tip of the 618. Just the tip. Okay. So they're not making it easy for anyone. Okay. Let's be honest. This price action is absolutely shocking. But there is the possibility to participate safely, right? But we don't want a round trip. So your intention must be to pay yourself early. I was talking about this a lot on Friday with the group about how you want to take, you get the move, you take your profit, you secure your profit. And then if you get that breakout, happy days. If you don't, at least you've made money or you've broken even, right? I mean, you can see here, if I share all of my trades, right? And we look through here, we can see very clearly that I'm in and out like a good boy scout, okay? So we got 180, 360, that's cool. $31, this is taking profits early, getting stopped out, okay? This is a break-even trade for me. 59, break-even trade for me, okay? Nice winner, break-even trade for me, okay? All the way up. Okay, so there's another break-even trade hidden by this. I think it's here, 47. Okay, so I'm just locking it in because at the end of the day, we're here to come and extract money and trade safe, right? I think getting caught up in this hitting home runs thing can be detrimental to your account. Okay, so we want to be patient. We want to be picky, but also we want to be locking in. Okay, locking in is going to make us successful, especially in an environment like this. The environment is wild right now. If we look at the volatility index, the VIX, we were talking about this as well. So when we look at this, you can see that anytime the VIX is above really 20, this is very, very volatile, okay? This is going to wick you out. You should set alarms for this to know when you come up into these areas. You're bored AF down here, okay? You're not moving down here, but you are absolutely ripping up here. And we're hanging out up here right now. So this is very challenging price action, meaning you're going to get stopped out. There's going to be movements that are unpredictable. Therefore, you need to pay yourself. So add the VIX to your, just add these alarms, right? 21 here, 17. So you know, like, this is going to take a while to play out just in general, right? It's a good thing to have. I don't look at it all the time. I just wait. If I hear the alarm, I'm like, okay, be careful. And that's a very easy way to understand what's going on in the market, right? And how to really protect yourself, right? At the end of the day, your number one job is to protect your capital, okay? Always. A little Wyckoff going on in here. We can see the spring out of here. That's nice. I like this. So spring, continuation possibly. Nice bottoming structure. I like this. So that looks good on the SPY. Short term. Remember, short term. We still have a little gap down here, but short term, this looks okay. We'll see how it continues to rip this morning. Seems as though it's pushing. We got a nice push here from the US 100, which is just a quicker reacting NASDAQ. Okay, so the NASDAQ's pushing as well. Same sort of bottoming structure pattern in here. So we'll keep our eyes on that as well. And Bitcoin, flat, right? Flat as we expected going into morning open. We get the volume and then we get the cool down, right? So the cool down right now is just suggesting that it doesn't know which way to go. We've swept the highs twice, trying to wreck those shorts. I would expect continuation probably down to here, most likely into our golden pocket around 81,800. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me today. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Tony Soprano, JR, mad love to you, man. Adrian. Giant shorter sat at 84. Yeah, 84.5, 80, 84. Yeah, that's nasty. Nasty. Just sending price consistently down. Interesting times. Interesting. Tamale, Catrix, what do you think about Solana today? Well, Solana's going to act, everything's going to typically react around Bitcoin, right? So if anything, you check dominance, and dominance is at 61.5. It is breaking down. So you did have some movers over the weekend here, right? You can see Arbitrum, Sui, a couple of them, right? But you know, the hopium for Solana, and I don't typically look at altcoins, is that you hold this range, okay? You got a big ass range in here, and you want to hold the high at 117. You don't want to get acceptance below here. You want to hold this range. We'll see if it does. But it's absolutely getting decimated in comparison to Bitcoin, okay? Until you start making higher lows on your Bitcoin Solana pair, which you don't have, right? No bueno. You got to take this high right now. That's your job. Take that high, and then we'll talk about Solana. That's how I would treat it. Still waiting here. This looks like continuation down. Very clearly now. $395 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live, hanging out. Much love to every single one of you guys. This happened without news. That's the concern right now. Is this spike happened without news? So we need to tread carefully here before we enter a trade. If we sweep this low in here now, we can look for a bullish divergence and a push up. So if we sweep right now and bounce, we're losing VWAP though. So we can sweep and bounce, higher low continuation, right? That's an option. Going into market open, like that. So everybody had a great weekend. I want to know who's in. Put a 1 in the chat if you're all three. You can expose yourself. It's a safe place here. I want to know 17% of you. We got 300 votes. I want to know who's proud to be an all threeer. Who did all three this weekend? Let's go. Let's go. Who did all three? R.S. Miller did all four. Oh, R.S. Miller, the GOAT. Let's go, baby. Let's go. R.S. Miller, did you do it like while eating cheesecake or something, man? What was our... Let's see some R.S. Millers for doing all four. Oh, man. R.S. Miller was doing it while eating cheesecake or whatever. HFG, good morning. Francis DePena. He's doing all three. Gains for life. Woti. All three, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uncle Jesse. Luke Zaldana crushing it. You guys are naughty, naughty. Scott, what's up? Good morning. Good to see you. What about ADA then? You think we'll push to 80 cents and reverse back to 50? Cardanzo. Look at you guys. Work and sleep. That's it. Quick smokers living a simple life, man. Stacking that fiat. I did too. Good job, Maya. Good job. I touched some grass. I did too as well. I threw out my back. Golfing. Okay? Get your mind out of the gutter. I'm proud to be a trader. Minimal waiting. Procrastination is like, okay. Oh, man. I am one. Yes, Tony. It's okay. You're forgiven. I love you, bro. All four if you count both kinds of grass. Let's go. You guys are on fire today, man. I don't even have to host. We should just full screen. We should just full screen the chat. You guys are incredible. Sweep. Sweep, baby. Sweep and pop. That's what we want to see here. Sweep and pop. Yo, hi. What's going on, Diego? Good morning. Clay the Great. How's it going, brother? Good to see you. R.S. Miller. Legend. Let's go. Absolutely. Absolutely. Crushing it. Crushing it. Good short. Let me know if you're in the short. If you got in up here, maybe you got in on the loss of VWAP. That was a possibility here, a VWAP slap. You lost it, you slapped it, and you continued. That would have been a decent short there. Just the volatility of the news. Didn't want to really participate in that. Let me know if you are short here. Sweep, baby. We want to see a sweep and bounce. Some people still in longs, I'm sure, from down low. I don't know how long you're going to be protected. I reported the fake account Jesse on Twitter. I mean, there's so many fake accounts. I try my best to protect everybody. But it's hard. It's hard. I mean, these guys are savages. I won't message you directly. And if I am going to message you, I will screenshot my message to you in my Discord and show you it's me, and I'll probably say something really funny or stupid so that they can't copy me. And that's only to help you with tickets if you have an issue with payments. Okay? I got a bit of a cough this morning. Yeah, this is lackluster. Look at the volume dying out, right? Just like we said here. US flat, Dixie rolling over. Okay, losing this low is good. Dixie on a higher term time frame looks as though we do have sort of a this is where it's hard to tell. We have mitigation, but no closing above here. So this could still continue downwards, which is what we want. But no clear and concise. Look at that low, man. That's a tease. So this is I used to buy this candle here. And not saying this is wrong, but I used to. I would buy this early, and then I'd add to the trade if it went lower, but it's not something I do anymore. It's gotten me into trouble. Little patience here. Low patience. Still waiting. No swearing. No swearing. What do we need for back pain? What's good for back pain? You know, grounding is really good for back pain too. If you go and walk on the grass. I used to do grounding. You got to go barefoot. That connection with the earth, man. Trust me, it works. It works. You feel much better. It's kind of a woo-woo spiritual thing, but if you're into that, man, grounding is pretty cool. You actually notice quite a difference in the pain in your body. If you have pain, go and do some grounding. It's free. Why not try it? Anybody ever do any grounding before? Anybody do grounding? Honestly, I my back hurts when I hear the word yoga right now, John. What's the plan? Long at 82.7. Right now we're waiting, letting this thing kind of materialize. I would like to see a bounce out and continuation. No trade yet. Couple options here. We could look for a bounce and continuation. We could look for a bottom to come in, and we can look for the short. So it would be more confirmation bias. So bottom coming in here, pushing up. Look for that golden pocket rejection and take that down. Okay, a couple options. This is all news driven. Scam wickety wickety. So I remain patient here. No trade. I do believe that price action will be very much like slow and then something along the extreme lines just to do with the amount of news coming out this week. So I'm going to be a bit more picky this week just in general, trying to not be overexposed in the market right now. We got building permits tomorrow. Housing starts. Then we have FOMC, unemployment rate in UK, existing home sales. So all roads pointing to Wednesday. Don't want to sit in this right now. That's not for me. It's always important to zoom out. So right now, we do have higher lows coming in. This could come into here and bounce. That would be great. This would be ideal. Sweeping the liquidity and the low over here. This is pretty aggressive on the way up. So I would tend to believe that we would come back at least if this is our liquidity in here. We would definitely be looking for price to at least return into the low here and then bounce, right? Unless we're going to go, right? If we're going to go, then we need to crack this and flip it to support. We need some sort of catalyst, and then we need to get up to the major liquidity that people are still sitting in their shorts up in here. We're prepared either way. I would prefer this than that, but it doesn't always go to where you prefer. I think more pain is on the platter for us, if I'm going to be honest. But that's okay. We're prepared. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. We got 400 people in here, 150 likes. Thank you for smashing up those like buttons. I appreciate you guys. Ibuprofen and whiskey. Mobility exercises. My neighbor walks his pup barefoot. John Foster Crypto was laughing at that. I had to message John Foster Crypto once, and I told him I messaged him and I said, "This is your super effing super midget." See, he loved. See, that's how we roll. That's how we roll. A great way to get grounded is to plant vegetables too. I just talk back to my wife, Gains for Life. I get grounded all the time. I've been talking about pain since we were at 100. Piper, and you give him an emoji, and then he goes haywire. AlexO keeps hitting us with subliminal merch messages. Yeah, I am. Well, I'm still working on the merch. If I'm being honest, I want to do it right, and I've done the edit. Okay, I've done the edit. I've got some ideas. Do you guys want to see? I'm working on it. I need to know what other products are we gonna. So I need to know what merch do you want. Okay, we got cup. I'm gonna do a hoodie. So assume there's a hoodie. Here's a sweep. Push Bitcoin. Can we push here? 1 minute time frame. This has got to go. This candle's got to go. Got to go. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. Push a rollover here. Push a rollover. Rolling over. Looks like we're coming lower. Volume coming in here on the push down. No trade yet. No trade yet. Still waiting. Got to go. Bull divs in here, trying to push back after mitigating the low. Still waiting. Still waiting. That's another nasty candle. Doji and Golf. Need to push back above this high here. Reclaim this area. If not, no trade. Stop loss below the low if we get it. Push Bitcoin. Come on. Give us a trade. 20 seconds on the candle. No trade yet. Still waiting. We got to get above here. Come on, baby. Push. 3 minute. Come on. Could still be coming for the slowdown here. That's the problem. Push back in the middle of the range. Still waiting. Rolling over. Local point of control lost. Thanks, Dread Mining. Going down, baby. Says George. We'll do the merch. We'll do the merch pull after this. If we get reclaim here, we could be looking to get long. Come on, Biddy. Yes. Kind of a hidden 3 drives in here too. Don't want to catch myself justifying this. We are making a new low. Last time I rushed this, I got into trouble. That's why we're taking our time here. It's got to close above here. We got a minute on this candle here. Nice push for the 1 minute. Nice push for the 1 minute, getting above the high here. I'm going to take... 3 minute candle close. Take a stab. Do we take a stab, everyone? What do you guys think? Take a stab. Let's take a stab. I'm in. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Up to VWAP. Cheap trade. Cheap trade. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. Come on, baby. A little bit more. Go halfway here. Come on, Bitcoin. Nice candle out of the bottom there. I'm going to go stop loss to break even. No, not yet. Not yet. A little bit more. Push. A little bit more. Come on. You got to go, man. I'm not a big fan of this candle right now. Keep going. I'm going to take that off there. Quick scalp. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Quick $70, $60 after fees. Started off Monday with a bang. Could keep going. Quick scalp, $60. Easy money. All right. Just off this candle here, a little bit of strength coming in. Easy buy. Easy buy. I'd like to take it up to VWAP. I don't like the looks of this candle here. Don't be a dick for a tick. Take it off. Okay. Could continue upwards here. I would prefer, like I said, the retest and then the continuation. Quick scalp. Could be a really good close. We'll see. Going into Monday, you got to get your feet wet. It's always good to start off with a win. Okay. Stop loss was right below the low here. Okay. Quick little win. We're going to pump. Are we going to dump? Let's go. Jason Casper. Absolute legend. All right. Quick little win. I think this can get to VWAP, but slow price action right now. We might regret it later if this thing goes to the moon, but that's fine. That's fine. Good little trade. Good little trade. Get the feet wet. Oh, my back. Ugh. Mitigation of the low. Bullish engulfing candle. Continuation trade. Right? Very easy trade. Doji. Bullish engulfing. I show you guys this all the time. Doji. Bullish engulfing. Easy trade. Don't be a dick for a tick. Quick $60. Start the Monday off right. Could have been a bit more patient here, taking it to VWAP, but I'm happy with that. Cause him getting a foam roller was a game changer for my back. Yeah, I rolled out last night too, and I rolled out massage gun. It's bad, man. It's not good. That's all right. Thank God I don't work construction anymore. Otter Gang premium leather patches for hats, jackets, bags, etc. That's intense, man. So I'm doing it on Printify. I'm doing it on Printify right now. Nice push here for Bitcoin. 3 white soldiers now. Could have taken that to VWAP, man. Monday patience. Monday patience. Nice little trade. Don't be a nambe pambe. Let's go. Nice setup, still in. Stop loss break even. Yeah, that works. That works. Just trying to tap VWAP here. MexC for now. Always nice to make money. That's it, right? Easy trade. Yeah, we factor in slippage. That was a limit in, limit out. Okay. Oh, fuck. So I'm working on the merch. I don't know what you guys want me to add. So the catalog's here. Let's look at this. Sorry, it's bright. Okay, they got mugs. T-shirts. I'm going to do a t-shirt, a hoodie. Mouse pad. Man, they got everything in here. It's crazy. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed right now. Here's a little teaser. So I'm putting together the group photo Otter Gang sweater. Let's take a look. This is in white. I want to see it in black. Obviously, you guys want to see it in black. We're going to do multiple colors. Get the Otter Gang. Look, it says Otter. I edited this in my printing. It says Otter Gang in the letters here. In the back, you know the family. Now, I wasn't sure if we should put trading is waiting, like above here. Trading is waiting. We could do that. I like it on military green. That looks pretty cool. Got all the gang in here. Sleeve left. We got a little mini otter. Sleeve right. I was gonna put gang. A little mini gang in here. Super small, so it doesn't look like weird. Let's spin that around. Something like that. Look at this thing. It's pumping, baby. There's your little tease. There's your tease. Okay? Have you tried gelato instead? Yeah, I've tried gelato as well. Deep breathing. Ugh. Yeah, it's brutal right now. I'm in pain. We'll put it that way. Still in. Stop loss at $30 profits. Good job. Good job. Little quick scalp, right? Little easy peasy lemon squeezy. Everybody knows this setup in our beautiful Discord. Amazing trades this weekend in the Discord. Brewberry's back this week, which is cool. Okay, look for 3 drives now. I mean, that's not a bad close. We could have waited a little bit, no. Push-ups. I couldn't tickle a push-up right now. Put it on ice. 32 minutes. Market open. 12 minutes. Trading Cove. I need a branded wetsuit for my pet otter. Let's go, crypto alt delete. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We've taken one little scalp this morning. Price action's pretty dismal. Okay. I'm hoping for the 4-hour trigger as well there, Clay the Great. Oh, man. The hope is there, man. We could get some relief. We could get some relief here. Money coming in, 4-hour trigger. Just to me, it's like rejection city up here. The 2 and the 1 hour are kind of getting rejected at the 0 line right now, which isn't healthy. But the 12-hour looks good as well. We got a little bit of a trigger, anchor trigger in here. Bullish divergence here on the daily. Divergences typically play out to where they started, right? So if we're starting here, it would typically bring us up to 95,000. That's just daily. That could take weeks to play out, right? So there is some hopium in the air. Okay. Opium in the air. Do, 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 do. Trading is waiting, baby. Close GG's next. Let's go. Let's go. I love seeing you guys win, man. I love seeing you guys win. We got a little bit of continuation here. Nice bullish engulfing. Trying to push back up into VWAP. We can look for a VWAP slap and rejection here for a short. I want to see confirmation of the slap. And we look, take this all the way down to our golden pocket down here. First stop mitigation of the low. Now that we have that low put in, like I said, we always go from swing high to swing low. Look for the rejection. Golden pocket 786. So we could even be coming up here for that rejection. Okay, right now we're bouncing off at 382 rejection. So we'll see how it goes. A little patience right now. We got 9 minutes till 8 minutes till market opens. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning, Joan. Good to see you. The daily money flow looks like, yeah, I agree. I agree. Storm says, started to use real money this week at only $5. Now at 19. Happy with the practice. Thanks a lot. Hey, man. Thank you for being here. It's a very, very smart idea. It's to start with very little money and then eventually increase it or just compound it. Is rock warmer just a fire? A rock warmer. What are we talking about? I got a rock here. This is my rock from when I was in kindergarten. I'm pretty sure it's kindergarten. I wrote my name on my favorite rock in kindergarten, and my grandmother kept it. I found it. I'm like, no way. And she's like, yeah, that was your favorite rock in kindergarten. So this is my favorite rock from kindergarten. Maybe one day someone will want my rock. I'll warm it up and put it on my back if that'll help. I did long there. I'm out of the long. I longed here. I got out here. Happy days for waiting. Sniper's Nightmare, you want to come warm my rock for me, please? Too good. You know your grandmother keeps everything, right? It's pretty cool. Sit on. I honestly, I'm going to have to be pried out of my chair. Like my wife's going to have to come and save me today. Rashad, we were talking about you, Rashad. My man. Good morning, Rashad. How's it going? See, you've been making some money, kicking ass, taking names. Can you tell me whether to put the signal up or down? What multi do you use? So Alex, you only trade BTC, nothing else? No, I swing trade alts all the time, man. Just right now, it's Bitcoin's so volatile, I don't necessarily need to trade alts. We have multiple altcoin trade setups in our Discord. We have Kyle's TA, my TA, HRJ, looking at some trades in here as well. You're probably going to all screenshot that. That's fine. Alt TA, we took a beautiful SUI trade. Okay, that played out quite nice in the Discord, hitting targets all the way up. Okay, bang, bang, choo-choo train. Okay, so we take altcoin trades. Beautiful Ondo trade. Brewberry's back. We missed him. He's back. He gives you guys the full rundown on the TA after me. So he'll do your altcoin TA. CVO running through a whole bunch of charts as well on altcoins, buy levels, key things, amazing trades as well. Okay, so a whole bunch of fire in here. We've been crushing it lately. So we do everything. I teach in like 1, 2, 3, 4 other communities. So I always have TA for alts. I'll give you alt ideas. A lot of the time I'll give you the ideas because I'm not trading it. I will give you full on signals sometimes, but I'll always be giving you ideas, multiple ideas throughout the week on what I'm looking for on certain things. And that's how we roll, man. That's how we roll. Coming into market open here, we got 3 minutes. Okay, so far, nothing burger, just a little bit of a down channel here. It hurts when I cough. Back pain for life. We were going to do a poll about merch, weren't we? Merch items. So you want cup? You want mouse pad? I don't know. Mouse pad. I just want to have some that are more affordable for people too. We're going to have t-shirts and hoodies. Hat? Maybe a hat? And then a sniper rifle, right? Melissa, what's going on? Melissa's been here from day one. God bless you, Melissa. Good morning. Was lurking on the trading view. Couldn't chat. On the TV. Couldn't chat. Hope everyone is doing well. See, you know you're a trader when you call, when she says TV as in television and I say the trading view. Too good. Love you, Mel. Thank you for being here, Mel. The big square box thing, not trading view. Rolling over here. So very good close. Quick little scalp coming into market open here. We'll see how the S&P decides to go. I would think gap and retracement. That would be my guess. Gap and retracement back into this range. Gap up. Retracement back down. Patience, patience, patience. All right, rolling over here. Didn't even give us a VWAP slap for that short either. 382 rejection here. This is an aggressive rejection, everybody. So don't get in the way of this. If you're looking for a trade, you look for an SFP down at the low here. Most likely looking at the golden pocket below us. Okay, so we got one. We got two options. Okay, but for now, let price tell us what it's going to do. But a 382 rejection on a Fibonacci is always going to be quite aggressive, as you can see in here. So if this falls through and breaks this low, it could continue to roll over quite aggressively. That's all I'm saying, is be cautious, okay? Be cautious. Now we can look for the exact same trade that we just took, a sweep of the lows and a bounce back out, That's still on the table as well. So we wait. Yet again, this candle, look at this engulfing candle. Nasty. Nasty. So let's not get in the way of this train. Right now we're rolling over. At what age will you teach Baby Otter to trade? he trade intuition. Thank you for the super chat, bro. I made him take one trade. I made him click the mouse button. He was 3 months old, I think. 3 months or 4 months? 3 months old, and he made $1,600. He made $1,600. It absolutely ripped, and I was like, okay, incredible. I mean, he kicked my ass, so he's already a better trader than his father. SFP. Beautiful SFP, man. Not looking to trade that. Late shorts in here. Patience. Market is open. The SPY. So we gap down here. Fill in the gap. Now we'll see. We'll see if it means business. Rising wedge here. Dixie rolling over. Nas flat. Bear div in here. Bitcoin trying to push. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Putting up with my back pain. The sunshine's coming in. Look at this. Oh, man. Blinded by the light. I woke up like a douche in the middle of the night. Gotta love that morning sunshine, baby. Get that vitamin D. Beautiful pushback here. No trade. Now we got an SFP of the low. Bullish divergence in here. Want to see a retest and continuation trade, okay? We'll see if we get it. Beautiful, beautiful sweep. No trade. Trading is waiting, as usual. Price label is off screen. Oh, yeah. Okay, sorry. Thank you. I thought I fixed this. Are we good now? That should be all right. That should be good. Thanks, Tony. Look at this. Absolute rocket ship. SFP coming into VWAP for a slap. We'll see if we get the slap. SPY's pushing good. Nas trying to continue. A little bit of hopium here this morning. VWAP resistance. Patience. Anybody take this long? I mean, you would have had to be really quick, probably mark it in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Yeah, that was pretty quick, right? You'd have to have it preset. Solana next. HFG loves his Solana. Solana, lana, long. Solana, long. Oh, yeah. All right, wrecking these shorts. Quick price action here, trying to get above VWAP. We'll see if he does want to slap. Yeah, everything points down, man. All of our targets are lower. Not an easy one today, friends. Trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. Witching hour right now. Our first 15 minutes of market open is always I wouldn't say a crapshoot, but it's something to be very cautious. This is like the time right here, between here and here, is going to be your most volatile. A lot of scalpers I know that I've followed and learned from, they don't trade this area. They stay out because of how it's kind of establishing like lows and highs for the day. Some people trade orb. Orb would be your open range breakout. So your open range would be from this low here to whatever high you get in here in your first 15 minutes. So let's say you close out here. So that would be your orb for the day. VWAP getting decimated right now. Here's a slap, higher high. Flipping VWAP. Nope, rejection. Nice breakout here for Bitcoin. Still waiting. No trade. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with me. I do appreciate you guys. Got continuation. I want to know who FOMO'd in, who longed. Let me know if you FOMO'd in and you longed. Shout out to you guys. I don't have it in me to do that anymore. It just can get you into trouble. Nice push up here around the around all of this beautiful momentum here. Continuation. Overextended now, coming for the liquidity at the highs. Patience. One AF. Long. Nope. I would love to go up to 86. Key target for sure. Key target for sure. Now we got a VWAP retest here. Let's not get faked out by this though. VWAP retest continuation trade possibility right now. Got to be cheap though. It has to be cheap. The sunshine's coming in quite nicely. I could do like wall puppets for my son later. Nice push here. Continuation. Hitting that 618. Just eyeball check, yeah. 786, 618 rejection area, right? The bigger picture, right? You got to always know the bigger picture. If you want to zoom in, you got to know the bigger picture, right? Nice rejection, standard deviation 1. Trying to hold support here. We'll see if we bounce. No trade yet. Still waiting. Hopefully we put in some sort of balloon dog in here. Get like a nice double bottom, bull flag continuation here. Reclaim a VWAP. That would be ideal. And just wait for that sweep of the low in here and then get long and take that out. Quite possible. No stop in sight for the NAS. Nice push. Surprising when, you know, 3 drives down here. Surprising they don't come for the low in here. That's kind of sketchy, isn't it? Where they don't come for this guy here. That's sketchy. Bull divs, 3 drives. They knew we were looking. They knew we were looking. That's okay. Who's tipping them off? Maybe imagine. I don't think you can't think like that. You can't think like the market makers out to get you. Of course, they're gonna try and grab longs and shorts along the way. They're a market maker. That's their job. But your my little $100,000, $200,000 position is not what they're looking for. They'll take it along the way though. Don't get it twisted. Backtest tweezer pattern on the 2 to 4 minute along the market cipher B entries. Oh yeah. Boop boop. I will short here, says Farbod. Thank you for being here. Pele Photography, FML, why? $2 for my TP. You'll get hit, man. You'll get hit. Adding more to shorts. Okay. 1 minute vector candles. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Supporting the channel. God bless every single one of you guys. Jesse Jack says, Merry Christmas. Daddy needs a new Lambo. Don't we all? No douche canoes. Okay. Otter gang. I'm 35. Tomorrow. My birthday's tomorrow. I turn 35 tomorrow, Clay the Great. March 18th, baby. 1990. Tomorrow will be my birthday. And I got a broken back. Okay, coming back down here. Good patience. No trade yet. Hopium in this. Lots of hopium in here, so let's not trade the hopium, right? Confirmation trading only here. Resistance on the US here, so coming back up into this area in here, generally going to be resistance. Order block in here, so coming back down, looking for a retest of that VWAP, continuation trade. Decreasing volume on this push up tells me to be patient. We have the same birthday. Awesome, Damien. Happy early birthday to you, bro. Thank you, everybody. Once you have a kid, your birthday doesn't really mean that much anymore, does it? I'm looking forward to his birthday, not mine. Get him his first TradingView subscription. All right, VWAP slap right now. 9:43. We still got 15 minutes here. We can look. VWAP slap here. So this to me says trap, but this to me says trap. We get retest continuation trade here. Retest of previous highs, VWAP, continuation trade. I'd like to see it sweep VWAP and hold. That would be ideal. No trade yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you for the birthday wishes. We'll see you guys tomorrow. I know that, right? We'll see you guys tomorrow. 450 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. 186 likes. You guys did good today with the likes. I haven't even really asked you. I think I've asked you once for the likes. So thank you guys for getting those likes up for me. I appreciate it. A little bit of patience here. Holding VWAP. I make you one day older. Happy birthday. Thank you, Felipe. You guys have to sing. I sing for everybody. When it's your birthday, I'll sing for you. It's like part of my family tradition is you have to sing. We call and we sing. That's like law in my family. So I expect you guys to sing, especially Tony. Tony owes me an opera. Wick 589. Don't be silly. Our birthdays don't matter without kids too. Absolutely. Thanks for being here, Wick 589. God bless you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Do you mean we are going up? Looking for the long here, just not going to rush this one. Okay, just holding, but waiting. 500K today. LBC saying me happy birthday. See, LBC's a real one, man. Love LBC. Singing in Discord? Yeah, you guys are all going on the stage. I want to acquire. We'll do a Discord stream and you guys can all sing. Sean Connery and Beyonce are starting their own woman-staffed roofing company called All the Shingle Ladies. I said it for you the way you wanted me to. See, Wick? I got you. That's too good. I love the supply of dad jokes in this community, man. You guys are incredible. Thank you, Mylene. Waiting here. Okay, so we want to see it lose VWAP, and then we want to see it reclaim VWAP. That's what we're looking for right now. Lose VWAP, tap our high, fill your fair value gap, now reclaim. If it doesn't reclaim, no trade. Tap in the previous high. Bounce. That's a nasty candle close. Nasty candle. Still waiting here. What do we got here? 1%? Yeah. Still waiting. Doesn't want to give it to us today. I mean, last week we absolutely crushed it. We were like, I think 6 for 7 last week. 6 for 7. Some great trades last week. You can't force the trades here. You can't make the market. We're 1 for 1 today with a little scalp. Nothing too exciting. Trading shouldn't be exciting. It should be fun, though. It's fun when you manage your risk. When you don't manage your risk and you go into drawdown, it's not a fun time. I know because I've been there. Toppy up here. Going back to the 3-minute. Trigger wave to the downside. Got 3 drives, bullish divergence in here. Looking for a continuation trade possibly. A lot of scam wicketies. So patience. I still prefer this area in here between 82,000 and 81,000. We'll see if we get it. Coming right back down. That's why you don't take that VWAP trade, right? That's good discipline. Comes in, bounces off VWAP. Some people are buying this. We're not buying this because we're not naive to the fact that we need to see VWAP hold or sweep and hold. Okay, this rolls over. Coming back down to the low, V-shape recovery, inverse recovery. I still don't. What is the word for a V-shape recovery in the opposite direction? It's just a V-shape recovery? Is it a V-shape discovery? What should we call it? That's what I want to know. I never know what to call it. Whenever I'm doing TA, I'm like, okay, I did a V-shape recovery in the opposite direction. V-shape dead. Okay, that works. That works. Today was my grandmother's 91st birthday. Crypto Vol. Happy birthday to your grandmother, man. God bless her. 91, man. My grandma's 90, so, and she turns 91 this year as well. So that's pretty cool, man. A-shape recovery. Peace up. A-town down. V-shape covery. V-shape rejection. V-shape down covery. Nonstop says vagina rejection. You guys, V-shape against vag for short. We got a vag on the chart. My grandmother passed away 2 weeks ago. Oh, well, God's got another angel, man. Marco, sorry to hear that. V-shape uncovery. You guys are reaching 86K seems impossible. Yeah. Crap shape recovery. Spread 'em recovery. It's more like an A-shape. A-shape recovery? A-shape recovery? It is an A-shape. But A's got a middle line. So like V is perfect, but like who wants to call it an inverted V-shape recovery? Like by the time you get that out of your mouth, the price is reversed on your. I like the short from VWAP. Still waiting. No trade in here. I mean, this is 786 probably. Oops, I clicked 2-day here. We got rounded bottom, which is good. Typically bullish. Higher low continuation, but quite nasty this morning. Little push up here. Nas is recovering. Very choppy price action this morning, friends. Crap shape recovery. Spread them recovery. One leg sharp. It's a Greek lambda letter. So a lambda recovery. Pyramid or triangle dump. Maybe a lower cap A. The dunce hat. You guys are downward dog fart. Okay. The portfolio killer. CryptoFace called it the Chinese. It did the Chinesey. I know a trader that would call it a bull flag, but he calls everything a bull flag to the Won't go there. Won't go there. A camel toe rejection. No, we know the 5-minute camel toe pattern, okay? This is a sacred pattern. It's got to be on the 5-minute. Look at this right here. We got a 5-minute camel toe rejection. There's their perfect 5-minute. Got bearish divergence, camel toe rejection. Look at how well that played out, baby. Okay? It has to look like this. It has to be both above the overbought or oversold lines. Okay? That's our perfect camel toe rejection here. And the hump must be off of the middle line there. Okay? That's your perfect 5-minute camel toe rejection. They're rare. They're rare. But when they play out, they absolutely bang. Okay, you guys are getting it out of me today, okay? Maybe it's the Advil for my back. Vasectomy. I can't handle you guys anymore. I can't. You guys A-frame flame out. Camel toe rejection it is. Guys, we have ladies in the chat. Let's try to be the moose knuckle pattern. Let's be I can't believe it. 7% of the channel is females. So we're doing something right by protecting the ladies, okay? We have a bunch of ladies in our Discord as well. Shout out to the ladies who come through. God bless you guys. We need you in here to kind of keep the calm. Look at this 5-minute. This is nasty, guys. This is not something you want to trade. This is not something you want to get into, okay? Let it pick a direction and then make a decision after that. That's what I would look for. Plus, we got a Discord live today at noon, so we'll have more data after that. Okay, it's been a fun one today. It's been a fun one. Take what it gives you, right? Little scalp this morning. I'm going to go and take some Advil and put some more, I don't know. What works? Voltaren, Rub A535, Tiger Balm. I'm going to go and crawl to my family and give them a hug and have breakfast this morning. Little scalp this morning. A little win. A little win. I'll look for some more, and we'll look for, maybe we do some live trading in the Discord this afternoon. I'll see you guys then. I'm going to send you guys over to, I think, Piper Academy. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. God bless you. Have a wonderful, wonderful time. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Mad love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.